Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check for updates on the Android phone operating system. So whether you have a Google Pixel phone or another Android phone like a Samsung Galaxy, in today's tutorial I'm going to have you guys covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the settings menu on your phone, and you want to select the network and internet tile. Scroll down and select Mobile Network Security. Then you want to go down to System and Updates and select it. It should be underneath Settings. At this point, select the Check for Updates green button right here. And then if there are any updates available, it should hopefully tell you if you select Check for Update. This is a manual way of checking for updates. If you go back to the previous page, you can also check for security updates by selecting that second option there. Again, I don't think there's any difference between the two. I think it takes you to the same page, but never hurt to look at that. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.